Hey guys, how y'all doing? We just got our hands on Next Destinies Blister. This is the Luxio design. There you go, there is the promo card. There is the other version which has Riolu inside. So we'll just go ahead and open the thing. This is the cover. I think there you go, there is a Riolu and a Luxio promo. The coin is a Muna coin, which is, I don't know, the coin design is different. I mean, not the design, but the coin itself. It's red color, then other than the usual black color coin. Okay, so here we have the Luxio promo. I think it'll be better, or rather more wanted, I would say, than the Riolu. This is the coin, Muna coin, and the base, it's in red. Okay, so as you know, our track record with Next Destinies is really poor. So we'll see how this pack opening goes. First pack of official released booster packs for us. Okay, so the first pack we have a, let's focus here. Okay, Ferroseed, Cubchoo, Pansage, Grimer, Meowth, Double Colorless Energy, Jigglypuff, Luxio, Reverse is a Moltres, well, that's very nice, and our rare is a Amoonguss. Not bad. The Moltres will help in our all reverse collection. We're trying to collect every card in the set, but with all the full arts going around, I think it'll be quite tough. Okay, we have a Shinx here, Hippopotas, Stario, Mienfoo, Kricketot, Cricketune, Double Colorless Energy, Lapras, Scraggy Reverse, and our rare is a Shiftry. Last pack of this blister. So far, no holos. Okay, we have a Grimer, Pansage, Meowth, Growlithe, Hippopotas, Double Colorless, Lapras, Heavy Ball, Lampent Reverse, and our rare is Gardevoir Holo. Okay, so if you realize, we got a Double Colorless Energy in all three packs, so overall not that bad. We got a Gardevoir, so yeah, pretty good. Stay tuned for our next pack openings. I think we'll have a few more blister pack openings, so stay tuned for that. See you.